Hi everyone, my name is Sophia. I am a makeup and brow stylist for the Nail and Champagne Bar, and today I decided to film a little video on how to maintain your brows at home. Because of this quarantine, nobody can go see their brow stylist and get their brows professionally shaped and cleaned, so I decided to make a quick little easy video on how to maintain your shape at home, just to clean up the edges around your brows. All you need is some tweezers, a pair of scissors, a spoolie, which you could probably find at the end of an eyebrow pencil that you have, and that's it. It's really quick, it's really simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you can also maintain your eyebrows at home like I'm going to do right now. If you have any questions, please leave a DM, let me know, and I'll be able to answer everything you have because I'm at home. Bye. So these are my brows. They haven't been shaped or cleaned up in a while. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take a hot shower, and you want to exfoliate your brows in the shower. This way your pores are open and any ingrown hairs that you have are coming out into the surface, and you could easily pluck them out. I just came out of the shower, I just exfoliated my brows, so now I'm going to show you how to start cleaning them up with a pair of tweezers and scissors. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to take your spoolie and brush all of your eyebrow hairs up. This is the best way to see your shape and how to follow your natural eyebrow shape and clean it up. Once they're all up, you're going to want to tweeze the brow hairs that are the furthest away from your actual brow. So don't start right up at the shape and trying to shape your brows. Leave that to a professional once this quarantine's over, but just cleaning them up. So you're just going to want to take the hairs that are the furthest away outside of the brow and work row by row. So the one that's furthest away from my brow is this one. So I'm going to pluck it out and then go on to the next row of hairs. And you're going to want to pluck one eyebrow hair at a time, and don't do it super quick because then you might actually break the hair. Just do it slowly and gently. It's going to hurt a little bit. The reason why you want to do this right after a hot shower is because all of your pores are open, and that way it'll hurt a little bit less. There. If you don't know, my eyes are tearing up a little bit. If you don't know whether or not you need to keep one eyebrow hair that's close to the shape for your shape, the best thing to do is not to touch it. So there's a few here that I don't know whether or not I want to keep them, so I'm going to leave them. Now you want to work on the top side of your brows. So again, same thing. Start with the one that's the furthest away from your brow hair. And you could get a little bit closer to the shape on your tail. So now that I've plucked all the hairs that I want to pluck, I'm going to go ahead and trim the brows. Trimming your brows is a really important step to make them look a little bit less bushy. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your spoolie and brush them all the way up. And then all the hairs that are staying up, you could go ahead and trim them. I like to use scissors that have a straight edge, but if you have like those cuticle scissors, those are fine too. And trim little by little in small sections. And then once you're done trimming, brush your eyebrows into your shape and you'll see if you need to do more. So I'm going to leave this brow as it is. I'm going to move on to the, we're going to do the same thing on this eyebrow. So we're going to tweeze the hairs that are furthest away from the shape. The ones that I could see the most are the ones near the tail, on the bottom and on the top. And then after you've done that, we're going to trim and then see if we need to do a little bit more plucking. And I'm only trimming the ones that are staying at the top. So this one right here, I'm not doing this. If you keep your comb and then trim, you're going to trim a lot of unwanted hairs that make up the fullness of your brows. So don't do that. And then you brush your hairs back into the shape. And now look at them in the mirror, relax your face. If you feel like there's a little bit more hair like under your brow or over your brow that the other one doesn't have, feel free to pluck those out as long as they're not super close to your shape. And now what you're going to want to do is tackle your unibrow. This one it's really easy to do, but do not go close to your shape here. Stay where your nose is. Don't go closer to here or don't go closer to here. This is where your eyebrows tend to not grow back. So if you pluck one out, it may never grow back and completely change your shape. So start from the middle and then pluck out, but leave about this amount of distance between the first brow hair that you see and the edge. And don't go further than that. And I also have hairs that go down to my nose. Okay, now that that's done, you're gonna wanna take a cotton pad with some witch hazel or any toner that you have. This is my current favorite right now. And then you're just going to wanna put it over your brows. And that's about it. Now you could go ahead and fill in your brows and it should be much easier to fill them in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're all going to maintain your brows the right way and not over pluck and not try to shape them yourself. Leave that to the professionals. As soon as this quarantine is over, they'll be so happy that you didn't mess around with the shape of your brows. And please, everybody, stay safe, stay healthy, and I hope I get to see all of your beautiful faces soon. Bye.